Hello everyone. So in this video we have a fairly interesting question for you pertaining to complex numbers. So let's take a look. Let n be a complex number z with properties mod of z equal to 1 and z to the power 6 factorial minus z to the power 5 factorial is a real number. Find the remainder when n is divided by 1000. So let's take a look. Here, since mod z equal to 1, we know z into equal to 1 square equal to 1. Hence, z bar will be equal to 1 by z. Now, as z to the power 6 factorial minus z to the power 5 factorial is real, it is equal to its complex conjugate. Okay. So therefore z6 factorial minus z to the power 5 factorial will be equal to the complex conjugate of the same 6 factorial minus z to the power 5 factorial. Now by substitution, say this is 1, this is 2. Of 1 in 2 we have z, so 6 factorial means 720 minus z to the power 120 equal to 1 by z to the power 720 minus 1 by z to the power 120. Okay, so if we try and solve this, we get this leaves us with a polynomial whose leading term is z to the power 1440. Okay, so I hope this much is clear, because there's the same would be 1440, so leading term would anyways give us that only. So therefore here say n would be 1440. So when n is divided by 1000, it will be 1440 mod 1000 would give us solution as 440, which is our final answer. So hopefully this is clear to you how we arrived at the answer as such. So kindly go through the problem and try to understand the video so that you can get a proper idea of the solution in general. All we used was the concept behind the complex conjugate and just solved it on that accord only. So kindly go through the same, and with the video as a reference, try and solve the question on your own so that you can get a better understanding of the same. So with that said, we come to the end of the video and I'm signing off. Thank you so much.